Well, just when I least expected it, Uber has finally raised rates for drivers. Please thumbs up the video if you think Uber and Lyft drivers do deserve more rates and potentially even double earnings just to keep drivers on the road. So before I get started with the video, I want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is an app that helps Uber and Lyft drivers and all gig workers get paid up to 2 days faster. If you ever need extra cash, there's no fees on overdraft. If you go negative 200 bucks, there are no fees or account minimums at all, and they pay drivers in 2 ways. Every time you fill up gas, you get cash back, and they pay you 4% interest on your money. It sounds too good to be true, but you can use the link below to get started. And listen to this, my friends, okay? Uber has officially raised rates. We're gonna get started. Uber CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, maybe he's seen all of the drivers striking across the nation. He's seen maybe the driver Facebook group. Maybe he's even read the comments on these videos. I wouldn't be surprised. If I was the CEO of a company, I would go on YouTube and see what people are saying. Hi, Dara, if you're watching this video. It's kind of funny. I'm sure he has actually seen this channel. But listen to this, my friends. Uber reviews rates as fuel prices increase. Uber has increased its rates by adding 10 cents to the minimum fare due to fuel price hikes and the outcry by drivers lamenting a decline in their earnings. The new rates, according to Business Day, were effective starting from Tuesday, July 5th, 2022, and have raised the minimum fare to $1.35 from $1.27 for Uber Chap Chap option. These changes come after Transport CS James Macharia announced new regulations that capped commissions charged at 18 cents per trip as per Business Daily. Uber said this, he said, "We have taken into account the rising cost of living and increasing cost of fuel. We remain committed to providing a reliable earnings opportunity for drivers as well as a reliable service for riders," Uber said. Uber head of East Africa, Imran Manji, stated that the company was looking to balance increasing rates for the drivers to cover their costs while keeping riders. Uber's also just introduced new features like choosing routes for drivers who might want to work close to their home or workplace. The company also said the drivers will now be able to use the Nairobi Expressway and charges will be passed on to passengers. Besides the extreme rise in fuel prices, drivers have also been complaining about high commissions, which meant they would get much lower pay. These changes will bring joy to drivers. However, the sentiment might not be the same for riders who have to pay all these charges. Yeah, so they're gonna raise the rates for drivers. Obviously, this is just taking place in East Africa, but passengers are gonna have to pay more, so maybe they're even gonna order less rides. Honestly, it might even work out the same. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this. Comment down below. Do you think this should come to worldwide, where Uber raises the rates for everyone, not just in Africa? Because obviously the prices of fuel has raised over the whole world because of what's going on in Ukraine. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. And check out the link below for Current if you want to get paid up to 2 days faster. Get cash back every time you fill up gas. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye now.